Carpet-looking surface. From above, everything looks lush and ready to go. Even from close-up, nothing much changes, and the final work hasn't even been done yet. According to General Manager of Independence Park Limited, IPL, Major Desmond Brown, he's satisfied that everything is on track.
I have a very competent team here. The person, Mr. Brown, Mr. Spalding, they know what they're doing. And we have our consultant, Mr. Dalton Brown, who comes in and helps us. So with all those people on board, I think I have no problem. Yes, I've checked the field and it's looking okay. I expect it to be a little greener by Sunday. We have added some iron, so I'm expecting it to be a little greener. So it will even look better than today.
With the field almost perfect, their only concern at this time is realignment of the lights.
What we also found was that the high winds last week misaligned some of the lights. We know we have to upgrade them shortly, so I'm hoping that we'll still be within the specifications for Sunday's match.
The stadium field will be virgin territory for most of Jamaica's UK-based players, but they'll be afforded time to adjust.
And we are going to give them an extra training session in here to acclimatize them with our field. I'm not too sure when they're going to do it, but it's before, because there's an official training session here for both teams. It is the day before. So I don't have the details with me, but we are arranging for special training sessions in here, an extra one for the Jamaican team.
Special COVID-19 protocols will also have to be met for the dressing rooms and grandstand, which will house the media and officials.
We have our own sanitizing machine, and we will do double sanitization. There are approximately, we understand, over 300 persons will be in the stands, and we make sure that they're properly social distanced. So we don't have a problem. I mean, normally we have 30,000 people here. We only have 300. I'm sure we can manage that.
Sunday's spectator-free game will kick off at 5 p.m.